To install Windows 10 from a USB drive, you'll need to follow these steps. Prepare a USB drive. First, you'll need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage capacity. Make sure it's empty, or you don't mind losing the data on it, as the process will format the drive. Download Windows 10 ISO. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the Windows 10 ISO file. You can do this by visiting the Windows 10 download page, https://www.microsoft.com/n/software-download/Windows 10. Create bootable USB drive. A. Insert your USB drive into a working computer. Configure BIOS/UEFI settings. A. Insert the bootable USB drive into the computer where you want to install Windows 10. D. Save changes and exit BIOS/UEFI settings. Install Windows 10. A. Restart the computer. It should now boot from the USB drive. B. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the Windows 10 installation process. You'll be prompted to choose language, time, and keyboard preferences. C. Select Install Now and proceed with the installation. E. After the installation is complete, remove the USB drive and restart your computer. Activate Windows 10. Depending on your situation, you might need to activate Windows 10 using a product key. You can do this by going to Settings greater than Update and Security greater than Activation and entering your product key. That's it. You should now have Windows 10 installed on your computer. Thank you for watching.